Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Google Forms allows you to create a customized questionnaire to collect data, feedback or conduct surveys, whether it's for customers, feedback or event responses, or research, or creating a questionnaire on Google Form is straightforward and free. Now let's dive into these steps on how to create and use Google Forms to create a questionnaire. The first step is to open Google Forms, and to do that just go to forms.google.com or go to the workspace, Google Workspace, and then log in using your Google account credentials. Once you logged in, you'll be directed to your Google Forms dashboard. From here, select a blank form and then click on the title area and name your form. For example, Customer Satisfaction Survey. Now, the second thing, you in the description box explain what the form is about and give any necessary instructions here in this section. Now for the third step is to add questions, and you can do that by clicking on the Untitled Question field to start adding questions. For example, this one, you can start adding questions here, and you can also click on the plus button to add new questions. The questions types you can use is you can use short answers, which is for usually for names, emails, and etc. Multiple choices for selecting one answer, checkboxes for multiple selections, and drop down for selecting from a list, and linear scale for rating, for example, from 1 to 5. The fourth step is to customize your questionnaire, and to do that, add sections by clicking on Add Sections button and break up questionnaire into multiple parts. You can add sections by clicking on the icon with the two rectangles here, and as you can see, you created a new section. You can make questions mandatory by toggling the required button for important questions. For example, I'm gonna toggle this option right here. It's the required option, and you can also add images or videos to questions to make them more engaging. As for the fifth step is to set response preference, and to do that, just go to settings and decide if you want to collect email addresses or limit responses. As for the sixth step is to preview and share the form, and you can do that by clicking on the eye icon to preview the form as the viewer will see it, and once satisfied, click on send or publish here, and then click on share, and make sure you turn off restriction from restricted to anyone with the link, so anyone with the link can access the form for registration. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now your questionnaire is ready to collect responses. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.